The Christmas feeling is already with us, and why not start the Christmas season in London?
London is one of the most amazing places to be for Christmas because it's so magical. The lights here, the shop displays and everything is so festive. There are markets all around the places. So these are the things what we would recommend to do when you are here for Christmas.
Bring an umbrella as well. You need to bring an umbrella.
Make sure you got umbrella all the time with you.
Stick around until the end of the video where we will show you our favorite destination to come in London during the Christmas period. We are in Leicester Square. Every time there is a new screen or a new movie, stars gather here in the cinema behind me. I love Christmas markets and London is full of them during the Christmas season. Let's go and check this one out in Leicester Square. It gets very busy at the weekend, very busy, so be prepared to be a bit squeezed.
Really good food. I think it's one of the best, not the best, but one of the best I've tried. Really fast service. If you're in London, just come around here.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack.
Christmas or not, Carnaby Street in the heart of central London. It's always full of neon lights, but over Christmas period it has even more so lights.
Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen.
This year it's been inspired by the Freddie Mercury's Bohemian Rhapsody.
Most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Looks like you. The same. If you really want to see Christmas lights in the shopping street of London, you need to come to Regent Street. Connecting Oxford Circus with Piccadilly Circus, you will just be blown away. Here you will see shops like Hamleys, Apple Store and many others that will ensure that your shopping list for Christmas is complete. Every year, it becomes an event when they turn on the lights in Regent Street. It's a must-see if you're in town.
Every Christmas, baby, reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
So we are now in Trafalgar Square. So there are quite a few Christmas markets in London. Trafalgar Square is one of them. And being such a famous square, it's one of the best places to come around. It's actually not as big as I thought it would be. Yeah, lots of empty space even on the weekend. So I think I would recommend this one since it's not that busy around here.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children...
Another place place you must visit whilst you're in London during the Christmas season is Covent Garden. Here you will see amazing decorations, lots of stalls to buy Christmassy stuff, and lots of places to also eat and drink.
I just got myself karak masala chai from Chai Guys in $7 market. I'm sure if you've been to Indian subcontinent, you are familiar with the karak chai and the taste of it. Now it's all over London. Let me try this and let you know if it's the real deal. Didn't like it. What do I do? Let me try again. Lovely. It's not that great. We are at the Winter Wonderland.
If you are in London around mid-November until the end of the year, you must come to Winter Wonderland in Hyde Park.
So excited. I'm not gonna go on the rides though, you know that.
You should do. You never go on the rides with me.
No, I get a bit like, that's not for me.
One of the things I love about Winter Wonderland is the little stalls. There's so much to buy, so much to choose from. And now, should we just go and have a look now? Let's have a look.
So we have decided to go on the big wheel over there. I'm not very good with heights and rides either.
He's gonna cry.
I'm a big man. Not gonna cry.
Oh, how are you feeling?
Not great! Are you excited?
Yes, I love rides.
I'm really excited right now, but over there I'm not going to be. Let's find out. There's no base. We're not attached to anything.
Of course. You've not been to a wheel before?
No! And that was a mistake! Oh, you can see London as well.
Aslam, how are you feeling?
I'm fine now, as far as I don't realise that there's no base, there's no floor.
There's a floor?
No, underneath this. Oh wow, London.
Oh, that's nice. Oh wow, look at that.
I did it! I
He's
did
done
it!
it!
Yeah, I was really scared when it got off, but it's so... Don't look down. Don't look down. I just been. It was really scary just to begin with. After first run, I got over my fears and I really enjoyed it. 100% recommend it. If you come to Winter Wonderland and don't do this, what have you done? Just do it.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
The best part of the Winter Wonderland is the atmosphere. There are so many people just having good laughs, sitting down, enjoying themselves and just getting ready for the big day, Christmas.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
This was London. Now we are back in Spain. We will show you in our next video how we celebrate Christmas in Spain.
If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and like our video. Thank you!